Hey folks, welcome back. My name is Krishna, and in this video, we're going to go ahead and tackle a shape challenge. This is something that I like to use when I'm just trying to creatively recharge my batteries and just try to figure out what I want to draw. And the way it works is this. You're going to use the lasso tool. You're just going to create some kind of a weird random shape. You can add to that shape by holding down the Shift key. You can subtract from that shape by holding down the Option or the Alt key. And so we're just going to create something that looks like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to now fill this particular shape with a color. So if I do Option Delete, that fills that color in. And I can drop the opacity. And this is a shape that I've just created just for this video. So I don't even know what I'm going to be drawing here just now. But I'll switch to my silver dagger brush. And we'll go ahead and get started. So the way this shape technique works is you're just looking at the shape, you're rotating it around, you're just trying to see what ideas you can get from it. So I'll maybe rotate it like this, and on a new layer, I'll just start to draw. And there's no right answers here. This is just about you having some fun with it. So in this case, this kind of looks like some kind of a skin-tight outfit. And then maybe I'll draw the character's head popping out. Let's take that shape. Now let's rotate it around. And you can also scale the shape up and down depending upon how much room you have. So this particular shape looks to me like some kind of a robot. And you can also add to that shape. You don't have to keep things fully enclosed within the shape, because the whole idea of this is it's a brainstorming exercise, right? So don't put any restrictions on yourself. Just have some fun with it. Be loose with it. So I've never drawn this particular character before, but looks kind of interesting, right? There might be some potential there. All right, let's continue. So let's rotate the shape uh, like this. Let's see. This looks like an ear. And you can go cartoony with it. So I like to use this technique a lot when I'm just trying to come up with some kind of a warm-up activity just to go ahead and get my creative juices flowing. You can use the negative shapes as well. So I'm just going to make this some kind of a crazy bow tie. All right, let's continue. Let's see how far I can keep going. Doesn't always have to be characters, although that's what I've drawn so far here. Um, let's see. Let me challenge myself by making this into something that is more vehicular. So maybe some kind of a tank. What I'm doing is taking a flat shape and simply trying to find ways of making that shape have form. And I do that with volumetric shapes. So this could look like some kind of big satellite structure. Usually I like to think of when I draw, I like to think about what is the primary shape, what is the dominant shape, and then what is the secondary shape. So in this case, for this particular weird vehicle that I've drawn, the primary shape is this conical structure. The secondary shape is the base of the vehicle. So I've got, maybe this is on some kind of a slider. I have no idea what this is. But again, that's part of the fun of this. Let's rotate this around. Let's put it at an angle. Scale it down. Make a new layer. You can really play with size here too. So this, in this particular case, this is going to be some kind of a prosthetic arm. We'll give him one eyeball. You just got a magnet of some type. And you don't have to use the entire shape here too. I'm just going to cut this particular shape off a little bit. So, you know, the objective here is if you're feeling too much stress, you're not doing this right. You want to really just be as loose as possible. The shape is just a guide. It is not something that you have to, you know, completely adhere to. You can make this in whatever way you want. So in this case, this kind of looks like a ponytail. This is a great way to just really explore character design, especially if you're just stuck in a rut. You're not sure how to change things up. There you go. So give that shape challenge a try. I know it's a short, quick video. It's right before the holidays as I record this. So happy holidays and wishing all of you a safe and happy new year. You might see a couple of videos pop up here and there depending upon my schedule. But yeah, so enjoy the rest of your break and I will see you soon. Later.